Did you know that the sun provides more energy in 1 hour than all of humanity uses in an entire year? The problem is that we can't harness all of that power, because the sun's energy is spread out over such a large area. But what if there was a way to collect that solar energy and store it for use when we need it? That's where space-based solar power comes in. In this video, we will explore the potential of space-based solar power and discuss how it could solve our renewable energy needs. Space-based solar power, SBSP, is the concept of collecting solar energy in space and then transmitting it back to Earth. Space-based solar power, SBSP, is a technology that involves the collection of solar energy in space and its conversion into electricity or other usable forms, which can then be transmitted back to Earth. SBSP has the potential to provide a virtually limitless supply of clean, renewable energy to meet the ever-growing demand for electricity. The basic concept of SBSP is to collect solar energy in space, where there is no atmosphere to block the sun's rays, and convert it into electricity. This electricity can then be transmitted back to Earth using microwaves or lasers. SBSP systems can be either stationary or mobile, and can be placed in orbit around the Earth, on the Moon, or even on Mars. There are many potential advantages of SBSP over traditional terrestrial solar power systems. For example, because SBSP systems can be placed in orbit around the Earth, they can collect solar energy 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In addition, SBSP systems are not subject to weather conditions or daylight hours, as terrestrial solar power systems are. Finally, SBSP systems have the potential to provide a much higher power density than terrestrial solar power systems, due to the fact that they can collect solar energy from a larger area. Despite these potential advantages, there are also several challenges associated with SBSP. One of the biggest challenges is the high cost of launching and maintaining a system in space. In addition, there are significant technical challenges associated with collecting and converting solar energy into electricity. Finally, there are also political and regulatory hurdles that need to be overcome before SBSP can become a reality. The future of space-based solar power is uncertain, but the technology does have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and use electricity. If these challenges can be overcome, SBSP could provide a virtually limitless supply of clean, renewable energy to help meet the ever-growing demand for electricity. One great example project is Solarin Corporation's Space Power Plant project, which aims to build the first SBSP system and transmit energy back to Earth. The project is still in its early stages. If successful, the Solarin Space Power Plant could be a major step forward for SBSP technology. Another promising SBSP project is the Solar Power Satellite Project, which is being developed by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA. The project involves the construction of a large satellite that would collect solar energy and convert it into electricity, which would then be transmitted back to Earth. The project is still in its early stages, but JAXA has already made significant progress, and the project is expected to be operational in the near future. There are many other SBSP projects in development around the world, and it is likely that one or more of these will succeed in providing a commercial-scale SBSP system in the coming years. With continued research and development, SBSP has the potential to become a major source of clean, renewable energy, and could help to solve the world's energy crisis.